Hey everyone, on this week's Mondays with Megan, I have another spooky tech tip for you guys. So this is how to make something disappear. It's actually a keyboard shortcut, but it's super handy. It's going to be the Windows key and D. If you press those keys together at the same time, it'll make your desktop either appear or reappear. This is really nice if you're working on something that's confidential or that you just simply don't want anyone else to see. If someone pops into your office, you can quickly Windows D and it'll just minimize it and hide it all. And then when you're ready to continue working, Windows D and it'll pop back up. I hope this tech tip is super helpful, and as always, for more information, feel free to reach out to me directly. Make sure you're subscribed to the YouTube channel to get the latest tech tips, and as always, have a great week, everyone.